Welcome to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy your LinkedIn profile URL. So when you open your Google Chrome and open your LinkedIn and sign in right here, you can see the main page of a LinkedIn. Now to open your profile, tap the profile icon at the top left corner. And then you can see at your screen your profile page. Now to copy your LinkedIn profile link, you just tap on the arrow button below your cover photo, the right arrow right here. So tap this one and you can see a message pops up at the bottom that you can share this on Gmail messages or in chats. Or maybe if you tap on these three dots, which is the more option, you can see you can share it on other social media platforms or job listing website. And you can also copy this link. So you just tap this copy and the link now is copied. So if you want to paste it on a job listing website, you can just paste it right away and they can actually see your LinkedIn profile. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.